A very good morning, students, and welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas School, subject Maths. As we were there on the chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light, on the page number 139. From here, we will continue our chapter. Okay? So, from there, it's a car and tractor. So, let's begin our chapter. Ritu is waiting her toys. She wants to know if her tractor is heavier than her car. What Ritu was doing? She was just waiting the toys. See here on one side she had kept this one car, and on the another side a tractor. So while doing this, she will comes to know that which one is heavier. It's a tractor or a car. How would you help her to find out quickly? See what they are telling, that we have to help Ritu to find out which one is heavier. Okay? Guess which is the heaviest? A real car, a bus or a tractor? See what they are telling, that in real life we have to just guess. We have to make a suggestion for that which one is the heavier. It's a bus, tractor or a car. But here see, which toy is heavier? It's a tractor or a car? It's a tractor. See, the balance is moving down towards the tractor and the car is on the upward direction. So here the tractor is heavier than the car. Which is the heaviest thing you have seen? What are the heaviest thing we have seen? That's a tractor, bus, car, plane. Those are the heaviest thing. Now students, on the next page we are having one story type. So let's start that one. Oh no, I cannot bear this pain. One king was there and he was having a pain in his stomach. Once a king had a pain in his stomach, none of the palace doctor could cure his pain. See what they're telling, that once there was a king in the palace and he was having a stomach ache. Okay, and none of the doctor in the palace was able to cure it. So the king was just like shouting over that oh no, I can't bear this pain. That was uncontrollable. The king then said, anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. See what the king told, that the person who will help to cure the pain of his stomach, that person will get the gold equal to the weight of an elephant. Okay. On hearing this, the doctors from all over the country came. See, from all over the country, the different doctor came to treat the king. But only Dr. Vedika could cure him. See what they are telling, that but one doctor was there. All of the doctors came from the world, but none of them have cured this one, the pain of the king. But Dr. Vedika helped the king for that pain. Oh God, my pain has gone. Thank you, Dr. Vedika. Now the king is happy because there is no pain after getting the treatment from the Dr. Vedika. And what the king was telling, that oh my God, thank you, Dr. Vedika. Now my pain is gone. I am all right. So can I have my reward now, sir? So Dr. Vedika, what was the reward? That when the person who will cure the king's pain, that person will get the gold equal to the weight of the elephant, right? So now this Dr. Vedika is asking about the reward. She is asking about the gold. Okay. Now, but the greedy king did not want to give her the gold. So he thought of a trick. See now the greedy king, how was the king? It was a greedy. He don't wants to give any reward to anyone. Already the pain is gone. So now he is happy with that. But instead of that treatment, he don't want to give any reward to any person. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you that much gold. See what trick he had done, the king. What he told, that find the weight of an elephant, then after he will give that much gold to the Vedika. The Vedika was unhappy when she reached home. She told her daughter the whole story. See what was the thing? Then after, the Vedika was unhappy after listening the king's trick, and then he went to the home. After that, when going to the home, she told the whole story to her daughter. How can I weight an elephant? Where will I get such a big balance? See, the thing is that the elephant is such a big in a size. Okay, so Vedika was just like worried that how she will weight the elephant, from where she will get such a big balance. Then what the daughter was telling, that don't worry ma, I'll help. I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a boat. See what the daughter was telling, that just make arrangement of an elephant and a big boat. Okay. Next morning, Dr. Vedika invited the king near a river. The king came with an elephant and a big boat. See what they're telling, that the Vedika told to the king that I want a big elephant and a big boat. And then after, the next morning, they both went to the river. The Vedika and the king, they all went to the river and with an elephant and a big boat. At that time, what the king was thinking, that I think she is a fool, that the Vedika and her daughter is a fool. How will she weight an elephant with a boat? See what he is telling, what the king was telling, that how she will, the daughter and the Vedika, how that both will weight the elephant. So we'll stop our story over here. Now students, you have to think that what she will do and how she will get the reward from the king. Okay, the next remaining portion we will continue tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for the day students. Bye bye.